Hugo Bros has once again overlooked players from Kaizer Chiefs after naming his latest Bafana Bafana squad for the upcoming international friendlies against Panama later this month. The Belgian tactician unveiled a provisional squad that is heavily dominated by players from Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, while Chiefs were completely left out of the selection. Pirates lead the representation with 11 players in the squad, followed closely by Sundowns with 9 players. In addition, Bros included 11 players based overseas, further highlighting the limited presence of players from Naturena in the national setup. The continued omission of Chiefs players is likely to frustrate the Amakosi faithful, especially during a period where the club is already enduring a difficult campaign. The Soweto Giants have suffered 4 consecutive defeats across all competitions, falling behind in the Premiership title race, while also exiting both the CAF Confederation Cup and the Nedbank Cup. Meanwhile, several Pirates players have been rewarded for their impressive performances this season. The Buccaneers recently lifted both the MTN 8 and Carling Knockout trophies and remain locked in a tight battle with Sundowns for the Premier Soccer League title. Another notable absentee is Thembinkosi Lodge, who continues to find himself outside the national team picture despite enjoying a strong run form since joining Al Ittihad. The creative attacker's exclusion has sparked debate among supporters, particularly given his recent performances. Veteran playmaker Themba Zwane of Sundowns, however, remains among the experienced players considered in the squad. The 2 matches against Panama form part of South Africa's preparation for the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, with both games scheduled to be played on home soil. When the South African Football Association first announced the fixtures, some critics questioned the choice of opposition, suggesting Panama was not a high-profile enough opponent. However, former Pirates coach Augusto Palacios defended the decision, describing it as a smart tactical move. Palacios believes Panama provides the perfect preparation for South Africa's upcoming clash with Mexico. So this is a strategically sound choice for a friendly. Panama and Mexico share geographical proximity and play a similar style of football. Their conditions and characteristics are comparable. He also warned against underestimating the Central American side, as people should not dismiss Panama simply because it is a small nation. Look at their international ranking. These matches will provide valuable preparation for Bafana Bafana. With the squad announcement in our public, attention will shift to how process selections perform as South Africa continues its build up toward the next World Cup cycle. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.